It's Wild Kids, and today we are actually going to woods behind my friend's house. I'll leave his channel down in the link below. But we are actually just going to go explore, go back to the woods because my friend Kate says lightning struck in the woods, and he wants to go see if anything happened.
Yeah, we're about to go see.
So it's gonna be fun. I'll get back to you guys when we get back there.
All right. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I'm meeting with my friend Wild Kids here. I'm pretty sure y'all heard his intro. We're gonna be going checking out the woods today because, as y'all heard, we're most likely there's a lightning bolt hit back there, and we find a lot of crazy creatures out there. So we're gonna be leaving his thing in the link. How do I leave your channel in the link?
When you put down the
just
channel.
show me how I have to do this thing. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna be doing that. It's gonna be a pretty short video, about 10 minutes. I know I usually do about a 30-minute video, but today we're doing we're not doing any gaming today. I know it's been a while since I've tuned in. Now that is something beautiful right there. Sight to see, a waterfall.
This is probably the first time
Whoa.
this river has ever been flooded.
For real, man. Dude, this has always been dry where you can walk here. How are we supposed to get back there? Yeah, I guess we can still go through there, but we usually enter through there, you guys. That's God, that person about to hit me. Watch it, you old hag. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff today. Oh, dude, another little waterfall? Dude, this is crazy. How are we gonna get back there? Wow.
You know, as much as I don't want to drop. Oh, over
We
here.
could-
I got it right here.
All right.
Wait till the car passes.
Fine. So you guys, yeah, that's a pretty good. Dude, this is awesome. I haven't seen this like this in. I've never seen it like this. And we've had some pretty crazy thunderstorms back here, you guys. We could jump that. But it'll be muddy, but we can jump it. All right, Connor, I'm coming next.
That's not too far to jump. You just walk it.
Ooh, it's crazy muddy back here, and I'm wearing white shoes. Hashtag Thug Life. Well, really nature life, so let's do it. Hey, let's go lift up some logs. Whoever did that, I want you to know, you're littering to nature. You're a disgrace to nature, whoever did that. If you ever littered in your life, man, feel bad, okay? Feel bad. Go find that, use your life to go search that piece of trash and pick it up and recycle it or throw it away, you guys. I'm a nature freak starting today. No more, oh, it's a spider! And now it's just ew, it's a spider. And I just got my phone wet. Hopefully that don't get wet. Whew. I'm getting soaked in my hair. I just got my hair cut today. A little bit of mud too. Whoever littered that, I'm calling 911. Just joking. But if you say you littered that in the comments, just letting you know. Unsubscribe, just joking. Please still subscribe. Just yeah, I've been calling them orange heads or yeah, lemon heads, blue-bodied lemon heads. That's where the lightning hit. Somewhere over here.
Okay, that tree though.
I know, man. Look, I know where two spots of lightning hit. One was near here, which that completely wrecked that tree. Get wrecked like I wreck people on Fortnite. I only have like 6 wins or 2 wins, so.
No solo wins.
I can't do it anymore. But yes, I only have 1 squad win. So duos for life. Out my way, little twig.
Oh my God, why is it so cramped?
Come on. We can make it through. It's a little cramped, but not bad. Them butt cheeks.
Beautiful butt.
Hey Connor, look at this. Schnitzel. I have a good timer on my thing, so second it hits about 10 minutes, I'm gonna have to run home because we're gonna be eating at La Siesta. That's a place pretty close by to us. Don't be searching for my house, please. I know I'm YouTube famous, which I'm totally YouTube famous. Not. Yeah, because I have like 16,000 subscribers. Yeah, ain't that right, fans? You know how many? This is your first video, isn't it, Conrad? Oh yeah, it's your first video on this channel. Hey, look up his name, Star Shooter. Shooter Star. Yeah, maybe they were uploading this to the Wild Kids channel. Hey guys, really go check out his channel. I know he's not really famous on his channels, but still, man, neither am I. But I mean, yeah, I'm YouTube famous.
Right here. Hey.
God. All right, man. Should have brought the flashlight.
I can put a flashlight.
Oh my God, it's eating my foot. Oh God. I have about 5 minutes left. Oh, dang. Got my phone wet. Again, I have the iPhone X, so it's waterproof. I make like $10. I make like I don't even make money from YouTube. That's my life. That's right.
Wow, so many trees fell down back here.
For real, dude. But dude, there's this one across my house. We've already. Wait. That's yeah. It's over here. It's not this one. It's another one. It was crossing the river. It was.
I want to lift this one up. So we're gonna lift this one up.
Yeah, we're gonna lift this up.
Holes in it. I don't know about bugs. Ooh, that came apart.
That's termited, definitely. Come in. Let me lift it up for you.
Yeah, it's wet.
Whew. See anything good in here?
What's that? Oh, that's a centipede.
Centipedes.
Don't touch those. Yeah, those
They
are-
really will sting. They hurt. I've been bit by one. I had to go to the hospital. And a twig just old checked me. Guys,
That's pretty small.
if y'all want to know what an old check is, ask your parents. They'll get a kick out of that. Hope so, at least.
It looks like the only living. If you guys see something I missed, link.
Yeah, leave that down in the comment. If you see anything we missed, leave.
But right now, all I see is that centipede.
Yeah, me too. Hey, dude. Jeez, man. I think it's raining again. No, it's not. It's just the trees. Come on, man. Conrad, I want to show you that lure. No, like the lightning bolt hit really close, and I heard a tree fall. Only one though. I don't know how that other one fell. And I know because I saw this lightning bolt. It literally hurt my eyes. Like lightning is actually like bright.
That river though.
Yeah, it was over here. I remember it hitting a tree close to the river. I remember this.
The house is right here.
Oh, hi, my tree house. It's my tree house. And by the way, you guys, that white package, I don't know how that got there. And it's not cocaine, by the way. My last video, someone actually commented, "Is that cocaine?" And I said, "No, it's not.
It probably is.
It's not
Oh,
cocaine.
yeah.
I'm not a drug addict. I'm only like 11. No, I'm about to be 12. Hey, send me some YouTube fame. Get me YouTube famous for my money. Get flipping Logan Paul to. And Jake Paul, you're not weird. You're just kind of. Yeah, you're weird, Jake. Don't. I wouldn't care though if you subscribe to my channel. That'd be awesome. Because all those Jake Paulers, I wouldn't mind if they subscribe, but I'd rather have Logan. That's just my thing though. Wait, we never got to see that. We gotta find it, dude. That tree though, we never found it.
No, we can go back for it.
Hey, dude. I'm gonna have to get back in about 1 or 2 minutes. I'm gonna stay for about 12 minutes actually. Let's make this video a little longer. I'm gonna end the video at 10 minutes and walk home about. It should be about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna have to walk home. God, have mercy. I can barely see myself throughout the camera because oh my God, there's a bug on my thing.
So,
Did I end it? Oh no.
Just came back 'cause we haven't been finding a lot of bugs. I went in. Yeah, I'd picture this because since it just stormed, all the bugs are probably hiding. Except that centipede I was hiding. Whoa, that's a lot of rain. You punk. Hurry back.
God, Conrad, you good? You good? God, dude, you're slipping. Work, what's ripping? Come on, man, get back up here, man. We can't make it across that river. We'd get in a lot of trouble.
Oh, it's a slug.
Eat a sleeg? Go eat some salt. The devious little maniac. Dude, I might have to walk home in a bit, man. In about 3 seconds, I'm gonna have to start walking home. 1 second. All right, you guys. I'm sorry the video is really short today. I didn't have a lot of time to spare. Please forgive me. Please, you're probably gonna see a lot more of the vids on this kind of nature stuff. If you like that, please leave a like down below. And if you don't like it, don't dislike the video. Just say you don't like it in the comments, please. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel, please, and yeah, well, thanks for tuning in today, and I guess I'll talk to y'all guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.